What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add audio in Canva. Once you're inside Canva guys, all you have to do is go to upload or click on upload on the left hand side, and here you want to go ahead and upload your file. So you can choose to click on the audio section and you can go ahead and upload your own audio. So what I'm going to do is just simply click on audio files right here, and the cool thing you can click on the upload audio files, or if you have a second window open like myself, you can just simple drag and drop. So for example, if I drag it, you can see that it says drag content to upload. I can do that as well, or I can just simply click on upload, select the file, and then click on it, and it's going to quickly upload. And that's it. Whenever I have the audio file uploaded, I can easily go ahead and play it, as you can see right here. And then I can go ahead and I can use it on whatever music I want. As you can see right here, I can drag it right here and it's going to attach to this file. So if I want to create something fancy, I can go ahead and just add a picture right here and background music, and before you know it guys, I have something ready there. So that's pretty much it guys. Very easy and very simple. So once you're ready, you can easily go ahead and preview and it's going to play. That's it guys, very easy and very simple. How to add audio in Canva. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.